Good morning, everybody. Hey guys, this is Cynthia. Y'all know I'm normally not like up this time of morning, but we don't have no lights. We had a tornado come through last night, and I just want to show y'all how blessed we are. I haven't called around to see if everybody was okay, but I hadn't got no phone call either, so I'm just gonna take it. Everybody's good. Um, I don't know if you guys could see this house. It was a house. Um, it was partially torn down, but the tornadoes took the sides down. Um, you see there's a couple limbs out the trees. And then just there's trash in that trash can. They both are facing forward. The tornado turned it sideways. Can you believe that? Okay, let's go. Hi. um, wait. Stop, Braylon. Of course, these chairs were setting up regular, and they knocked them over. Come on. Yeah, I see the wheelbarrow. This is our backyard. That chair was sitting up. Okay, it won't let me zoom in. Okay, wait. That chair was sitting up like over here by this tree. Um, that wheelbarrow was sitting where Braylon's standing. Well, where he was. No, leave it alone. Leave it alone. No. Of course that chair was sitting up. Put that down. Now this big tall tree, our house is right here. The tree is right there. Braylon, stop it. Jamal, hey, come over here by me.
I see that tree over there.
What?
That tree over there knocked it over. That one knocked it over.
The what knocked it over?
Yeah.
What knocked it over?
That tree knocked chair over.
The weather knocked the chair over?
Yeah.
Stop picking up stuff and wiping your hands on your clothes. These are the limbs that fell out this tree. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you got one big one back there. Come back over here. It fell out this tree, and it could have been the other way where they fell on the house and injured us. So Risa says this is I Need a Little More Jesus Monday, but I'm gonna say this is We Thank You Jesus Monday.
I can't even reach Nana.
Huh?
I can't even reach.
You can't reach it?
Yeah, I can't even reach.
Okay.
And I can't reach it. Can I not can't reach it?
I don't want to reach it.
Can I help you reach it?
Go.
1, 2, 3. I can't reach it. That's just sticky. It's sticky.
Everybody out talking, I guess looking around to see the damage. I don't know what else to say, but thanking God. Excuse me. Come on. Come on.
Fishing pole. You need a fishing pole.
You need a fishing pole.
Adapt. 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 You need that. Are you looking through that window?
Yeah, I was looking through the window.
You're looking through the window?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Come on. So.
You see that chair?
Yeah, you gonna go sit it up?
Yeah, I'm gonna sit
Okay. I don't know. We'll just.
They got water.
Yeah, go on and sit it up. Come get this one. Go sit that one up. Yeah. I just wanted to come and show you guys, you know, we can't take life for granted. Y'all see he gonna spray me. Hey, let me take this.
I go spray.
Take the zoom out. Okay. So.
I go spray you.
I know I'm late, but I pray that everyone had a good Mother's Day yesterday.
I'm gonna go spray you.
Don't spray me.
I'm gonna spray you.
Don't spray me.
I'm gonna spray you again.
Ain't got to be up close.
I'm gonna spray you.
Braylon and I took Teresa out for the brunch. And my aunt. No, stop. Stop.
I'm gonna spray
Put that
you.
down. It's dirty. Put it down. Dang it. I'm gonna get you.
What you should have put on right there.
You made me step in the water.
You don't need to stop.
Somebody want them, you can have them.
Oh.
But anyway, like I was saying, there's a snail. Get down.
Buddy!
We gotta be thankful for the good, the bad, ugly, and the indifferent. So,
you have a diagnosis and a headache.
yes, I do.
Oh my goodness. I'm listening to you.
So,
And I go sit down up. You see this? You sit down.
I'm not going to sit the chair up.
I'm going to sit the chair up too.
No, it's too wet back there.
It's just not too wet.
Yes, it is. Don't you go down there.
You stop.
I'm gonna make you go in the house.
I don't need to go in the house.
Y'all look at my friend. It look like he dead. Come around here so you can see the snail. Come around here. Come down. Come down here. Come down here. I'm gonna show you the snail. Come here.
Okay.
Braylon, come down the steps.
Yep.
Look, right there.
Right there.
That's a snail.
Mama, can I smell it?
You can't smell it. It's a snail, not a smell.
Mama, can I? Nine?
No. So, you guys, that's what's going on. We about to go and get something to eat, and we need to charge our phones. And I think Teresa's getting her hair braided today, so we got to go do that for 7 hours. Stop. So I just wanted to come out and show you guys.
Oh, there it is, Nana.
I see it. Leave it alone.
Oh, there it is.
Now look how close he is to it. He a daredevil. Leave him. Put your leg back over there.
I'm putting my left back over there.
You gonna get a spanking.
You start.
Y'all see how he done got bad. He bad.
Can I take a picture of it?
No.
Can I take a
Where your
picture?
phone at?
Huh?
Where your phone at?
I don't know.
Well, you can't take a picture with my phone. Okay, guys. I done held y'all long enough. I'm gonna go and I'll come back a little later with an update on family and folks and making sure everybody okay. Don't you get on there. And I'll talk to y'all later. Have a good one. Remember, count your blessings one by one, two by two. And God said, God will do what he said he'll do. Love you guys. Bye. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Look at me. Say bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.